Is this on? Hey there. So, I've been working on this math problem. Here we go. Look at this. I got this from a book. I'll show you the book later, maybe. Okay. I wrote it down here. A drawer contains red socks and black socks. When two socks are drawn at random, the probability that both are red is 1/2. How small can the number of socks in the drawer be? And then how small if the number of black socks is even? Okay, so I want to share with you my answer to this problem because it is correct, but it's the process of thinking that I went through on this. Look at this. Look, okay, so here's what I'm figuring. Okay, look. I figure that, okay, the X is the number of red socks, and Y is the number of total socks. Okay, so when we choose twice, this is a formula, okay, to equal 1/2. All right. So I think about this, and I'm kind of like, okay, well, that's equivalent to that. And that implies that 4 goes into y times y minus 1, right? Because you know that one of x and x minus 1 is going to be even, right? Because they're consecutive numbers. And you already have a 2 there. And so 2 times whatever 2 is in there, it's definitely, it's going to guarantee that a 4 divides into that whole thing, which means a 4 divides into that whole thing. And where does that get me? Well, kind of nowhere. Except that it just hit me like lightning. Oh, yeah. The answer is that. There's 4 socks and 3 red socks. Right? So, it just came to me. No rigorous mathematics. It did the thought process, and then bam, it hit me. So that's how I solved A. How I solved B is that, well, I reduced everything to this, right? This should make sense. Because I went from here to here. And then I could use the quadratic formula. You got A equals, see, like that? Like, you got A equals 1, B equals -1. Yeah. C is negative 2x times x minus 1. Makes sense, doesn't it? So I applied it, and then I got this. And then I just tried a bunch of numbers, 9 times 8 plus 1, square root of that, plus 1 divided by 2. Well, actually, I just kept going until I got like a whole number in this expression, really. And I just kept going until I got to x equals 15. As it turns out, this is the answer too, and this necessitates that, let's see, if you got 15 red socks and 21 socks in general, then you got 6 black socks. So that works. So that's what I got. I looked in the back of the book I was using, and I guess my solution was kind of almost as clever as the way that they did it. So that's what I got. Okay.